Hi guys, so today is another really busy and exciting day. So we came 2.5 hours away from Hollywood to Anaheim. We are in Disneyland, California, and I'm so excited. So I actually didn't know until last night there's actually two parks here in Disneyland. There's Disneyland California Adventure and then Disneyland itself. So I think we're going to go to Disneyland itself because it has the castle and stuff. I've never actually vlogged in Disneyland, so it's going to be interesting to see how it turns out. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video on Disney. I had a great time there, and just going to share with you a couple of tips as well for when you're going as well. So when we got there, we were recommended to take the fast pass option, so it was only about $15 extra onto the ticket, and we were actually able to buy it online as well. Bought the ticket and then we went inside and then realised we wanted the fast pass option, so we were able to add it onto our ticket online on the Disney app. And the Disney app is actually really handy for when you're going around. It lets you check wait times. You can also order your food on the app as well, so you can go up and just pick it up. And also with the fast pass as well, if you get pictures on the ride, you just type in the code onto the app and you get your pictures for free on the ride. So it's well worth the money to get the fast pass. So when you use your fast pass and you're in the queue to get on your ride, you can actually reserve your next ride on the fast pass as well. So I really hope to go back to California someday and check out Disney's California Adventure. Unfortunately, we only had one day there, and unfortunately that was our last day in LA. So I really hope you enjoyed this series, and make sure you look out for my next series where I go on an unexpected trip to Orlando. So if you did like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe as well. You can also check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye!